This is my latest model of a Union Pacific M-10005 Streamliner, City of Denver. This was built in the middle 1930s by Pullman, powered by EMC Winton engines. There was a 1,200 horsepower engine in each of the A and B unit, and the train is complete with 9 passenger cars that were all part of the train consist. The only thing I haven't built is the auxiliary power car, which was used between the A and B unit and the baggage RPO car. The locomotive is powered with 2 train motors. There's an air-wired decoder board for the remote control, and that drives the Tsunami 4400. I have 3 18650 lithium-ion batteries producing about 12 volts. There's 2 Lego train motors, powered up train motors in the locomotive A unit, and there's 2 more in the locomotive B unit. They're all driven by the same decoder, Tsunami decoder. There's a cable between the A and B unit that transmits the power. Also powers a little remote control that turns the headlight on in the rear of the consist when the train goes in reverse. I did a 3D printed windshield that leaves room for a train crew in the cab. Of course, the locomotive has lighting, just the headlight is lit, and the crew gets a little bit of lighting from the blue LED on the Tsunami board. Both the locomotives and the coaches have spring-loaded bogies, so that on straight track the diaphragms are closed, but when they go into a curve, the diaphragm's open. On the observation car, there's a engineering Mars light circuit board that and a 9-volt rechargeable battery that runs that light. So it's almost a 4% grade on the layout here, and the locomotives with 4 train motors is readily capable of running the train up the grade. And I've turned the voltage down so that the train motors are getting only about 7 volts, but that's more than enough to pull up the grade here and maintain a decent speed. I mentioned when the train is in reverse, it turns off the Mars light, turns on the rear headlight. It's done by a remote control, wireless remote control. I hope you've enjoyed it.